Hello, and welcome to today's session. By the end of this session, you will achieve Learning Outcome 4, the ability to identify, design, and document a potential solution to an IT system problem. In this video, we will explore a systematic approach to problem solving in IT systems. You will learn how to effectively identify the root cause of issues, design practical solutions, and document them clearly, ensuring they align with the needs of all stakeholders. Join us as we break down the key steps to solving IT challenges efficiently and professionally. Begin by clearly defining the problem or challenge to address. Gather comprehensive requirements from stakeholders. Analyze the root causes and impact on the organization. This lays the foundation for an effective solution. Understanding these elements is crucial for successful problem solving. Brainstorm potential solutions to tackle the problem. Evaluate options based on feasibility and cost effectiveness. Select the solution that best balances benefits and risks. This step is about aligning solutions with requirements. It's crucial for ensuring the chosen path is viable. Develop a detailed design considering architecture and functionalities. Use tools like UML and flowcharts for visualization. Define data models and interfaces clearly. This ensures a comprehensive understanding of the solution. Proper design is key to successful implementation. Document the solution comprehensively for stakeholder communication. Include specifications, diagrams, and descriptions. Use standard formats for clarity and consistency. This documentation is crucial for conveying the solution's design. It serves as a reference throughout the project. Review the design with stakeholders for feedback. Validate alignment with requirements and make revisions. Ensure the solution meets all expectations. This step refines the design based on stakeholder input. It is essential for achieving a successful outcome. Prepare the final documentation with all updates. Ensure completeness and clarity for stakeholder review. Distribute for approval to relevant parties. This step finalizes the documentation process. It ensures all stakeholders are informed and aligned. Develop a detailed implementation plan with timelines. Identify dependencies and milestones for tracking. Allocate responsibilities and establish communication channels. This planning ensures effective coordination of activities. It is crucial for successful implementation. Explore solutions like off-the-shelf software and tailored systems. Consider bespoke programs for specific needs. Each option has distinct advantages and disadvantages. Evaluate based on deployment speed, customization, and support. Choose the solution that best meets organizational goals. The preferred solution is an off-the-shelf software. It offers rapid deployment and comprehensive features. Vendor support ensures ongoing maintenance and updates. This choice balances functionality, cost, and time. It's a strategic decision for effective inventory management. Use UML, wireframing, and data flow diagrams for design. Create entity relationship diagrams and flowcharts. These tools capture functionality and interfaces. They provide a clear visualization of the solution. Effective use of tools ensures comprehensive documentation. Enhance the solution with advanced reporting and analytics. Integrate with external systems for seamless data exchange. Develop mobile accessibility for operational agility. These improvements optimize system effectiveness. They ensure the solution evolves with business needs. The off-the-shelf solution meets the brief requirements. It addresses inefficiencies in inventory management. The user-friendly interface enhances productivity. Robust analytics empower informed decision-making. Vendor support ensures timely assistance and updates. Refer to provided resources for further reading. Address any queries via the provided email. Submit assignments within the specified timeframe. This ensures continuous learning and application of concepts. Stay engaged and proactive in your learning journey. Conclusion: by following these steps, IT system challenges can be addressed effectively. This structured approach ensures that solutions are carefully planned, thoroughly documented, and aligned with organizational objectives. With this methodology, you are equipped to implement solutions that satisfy stakeholder requirements and support sustained system performance. Feel free to send a WhatsApp message to 074-843-61688 if you need assistance. Our team is here to help. Thank you for your attention, and we'll see you next time.